Welcome once again. We will draw figure number 6. Right side please refer. So let's start video. First grid off and ortho 1. Go to limit, type limit, set 00 and other side is 100 and 100. Zoom, extend, Z enter, E enter. Now go to left side view. We'll draw this figure in left side. Take line command, click anywhere on the screen below 42 unit and 50 unit, 16 unit right, and then 6 unit up and again 6 unit bottom and 16 unit right and again 16 unit up. Click enter. Now click here at a distance of 22 unit and 26 unit below this line. Click enter and join them. Now take line command, click here and join this line. Select all, J enter for join. Now place pull as a distance of 64 unit and this portion as a 10 unit. Now orbit it, move copy this item from this side to this side. Okay, now go to copy and edge command, click this edge, click anywhere on the screen as a distance of 16 unit. Again copy and edge command, click this edge at a distance of 46 unit. Again copy and edge command, click this edge, select anywhere in the screen and 15 unit bottom. Okay, again copy and edge unit, copy this edge, select, click anywhere on the screen, the distance of 22 unit, enter. Now click here, select line command, it is seen that this line are not in same place, same plane, so it should be erased. Yeah, it is, this line is not in the same plane, so we should do it again. Erase this line, select line, erase command. Now again copy and edge command, select this edge, click anywhere in the drawing and a distance of 15 unit below. Yeah, click line command, click here, ortho should be 1 in this case. Click line command, click here and join this portion, click here and join this line. Okay, now press pull for cutting this edge. Extra line for should be erased in this case and place pull. Yeah. Now go to visualization style, change it as shades of gray. Again take copy and edge command, click this edge, select this edge, click anywhere on the screen at a distance of 10 unit. Enter. Again copy and edge command, select this edge, click anywhere on the screen and at a distance of 22 unit. Again copy an edge command, select this edge, click anywhere as a distance of 22 unit. Okay, now copy this line, select this line, select base point and distance of 18 unit. Okay, now line command, join this line to this surface. Okay, similarly upper portion should be joined. Yes, take line command, join this portion to this portion. Again line command, click here, take line command, click here and join this line. Okay, now take place pull command to cut this edge. So this edge has been erased. Now take union command and union all the separate object to make a single solid. Go to move command, select all, move it and erase the unnecessary lines. Go to southwest isometric view. Yes, the drawing is ready, and now change visualization to shades of gray and hidden command. So this drawing is completed.